Hi, my name is Ed. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Blynk. And we're the makers of Rapid4. It's a tool that helps insurance companies build enterprise, mobile, and web applications with very little programming. Now, a common goal for insurance companies is that they've got a lot of data in legacy systems, and they want to pull all that out and have them on mobile devices where they can be shared with insurance agents, the general public, and your internal staff. Now I'm going to show you, the best way to show you is just to show you a demo. So that I'm going to show you a live video how we can use the tool to build a car accident insurance claims app in just 2 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is to give the app a name. So it's going to be called the insurance app. I'm going to give a logo to the app, and this is how it's going to look like, and then put a little background image. And the first thing I want to do in this app is to build a form. So it's going to be the car accident reporting form. And when I create this form, you'll notice that I can build forms for the mobile devices, for the PC, all at the same time. I'm going to use pre-created templates, which I can use to generate fields such as these. As you can see up here, we have type of coverage, we have accident information, a photo of the car, and so on. I can rearrange the fields through drag and drop. And here I can also create a new field. For example, if I wanted a signature field, I can just do that right instantly. I just click on that one and click create field, and it'll just appear. And I can drag and drop it anywhere I want. Now, when I'm done with that, I can create and attach a workflow. And as you can see, it allows me to set up an assessor. I can send it out to an assessor, and after that, I can send it off to an investigator. And I can build workflows that are very dynamic. It can be parallel, such as this. I can grab another bubble, for example, and just attach it up here. And I can build workflows that route to different people depending on certain types of logic you might have in your app. And when I'm done with that, let's take a look at how we can make this go mobile. I'll flip it right over to the mobile, to an iPhone, and it'll just be done like that. And I'll set up the iPhone up here, and I can see how the app's going to look like on the iPhone. So here I am. I can actually see the form that I've just built, and I can set up stuff like the type of coverage. I can take a photo of the accident. The nasty accident there. And yeah, I can put other details. It'll capture like the address of where the accident happened based on my GPS. And I can put in a little bit more description about that accident. I can set up, for example, that I want to claim for $8,000. And when I'm done, I can sign as well on the dotted line just before I submit. So when all that is done, that goes off to that workflow that I just built a while ago. So on the back end, an assessor could sign in like that, and they'll see that case show up here, and they can see all the details that I've just submitted, and they can annotate on that field. For example, if he felt this wasn't a collision, he could actually put that up here, and it would appear as an annotation on the form. And in addition to that, he can approve, reject, and he can also see where he is in the workflow. When it is done, he can click approve, and he can actually sign to indicate his acceptance of this case. And when that is all done, he'll click on the confirm button, and it is all done. Now, if you're the administrator, you could also sign in and look at dashboards. You can see workflow KPI. You can see how fast or how slow they're approving a claim. You can drill down by clicking on it, and you'll see past monthly data on, again, KPI in workflow. And we also have mapping functionality that shows you where the accident has happened and where he has gone since that accident has occurred. Right? So that's a brief idea of how the tool works. And it's a scalable, secure, and very rapid tool to build apps. And you can build any kind of app for internal usage, like e-claims, e-leave. You can build apps for agents, where, for example, an insurance company wants to push updates to an agent, or you want to have a sales app for the agents, they can build it as well, and so on and so forth. And we've done this for a lot of customers in the region. Now, we're actually industry agnostic. We've done this with people like Nestle, we've done this for government ministries, banks, and so on. In the insurance space, we're working with Pramerica. Thanks for attending, the Pramerica guys, and of course, we have Aon Credit, Exim Bank, some of the banks in the region, and all of them have very complicated backend systems where we're pulling out data from. For example, AS400 systems, IBM MQ, SAP, and so on. We have all the plugins for them to be able to do this efficiently. So in summary, the tool is very fast to deploy. From 6 months, we bring down your go live time to weeks. It works very well with core insurance and banking systems. It also helps you accelerate your mobility plans. A little bit about our company. We're 5 years old. We've done this for 62 installations in Southeast Asia. We have deployed more than 500 of our applications across 6 countries. We have 20 SIs that are helping us do this delivery. And most of our customers, end users are from the public. This is how we have that many end users. And of course, we're invested by a few of the investors in the region. Plug and Play has helped us a lot through our journey. And we've also won awards in California in the MSC Wireless event 5 years ago, and also in Singapore in the Tech Venture event. Right. So what we hope to, how we hope to work with you is to have you adopt this platform as your mobility platform of choice. And if you're an insurance company, this will fit you guys very well. Thank you so much for your time.